Spray paint makes it easy to add a professional finish to your 3D printed models. If your model isn't primed yet, take a look at our video and article for tips before you begin. Gently buffing the primer now will help us get a flawless surface later on. I'm using a tack cloth to take off surface dust before painting. Using short, quick sprays helps keep paint from pooling. Begin and end your spray off of the model to create the most even coverage. Rotating the direction of spray around the model helps to fill in the small details. Don't go too heavy with the paint, too much will drip. Between coats, I'll continue to lightly polish, evening out the paint. Masking off details lets us create sharp lines between colors. The last coat goes on the lightest, just a few sprays to let the depth of the black paint shine through. After this, we can polish the paint job and spray with clear coat. Besides protecting the model, it gives the designs a professional finish. You can see how the buffing and sanding paid off. We'll add a link to our detailed guide in the comments. For more instructional videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and look for more tutorials in the future.